Hey there, this is Mickey, and today I will show you a complete cardio workout. Wanna see? Let's go!
Firstly, we engage in jump rope, which is an incredible cardiovascular tool that enhances coordination and endurance. Now we're going to take this up a notch with some high-intensity interval training. Get ready for a mix of speed and high power in your movements. Now we'll upload it using a step-by-step platform. This not only increases your heart rate, but also enhances your coordination. Every movement is created to maximize the cardiovascular impact while involving various muscle groups. An amazing effort. Let us calm the waters with a stretch to maintain the flexibility and strength of our muscles.
Thank you for watching my full cardio session. Don't forget to visit my page for exclusive content.